lettuce and leftover barbecue chicken.
Sliced up.
Or you can boil the chicken and slice it. And I have salmon and the cream cheese.
So some we'll make with salmon, some we'll make with chicken. Okay.
And the sauce with the sweet sour sauce.
Paper wraps. And this is the rice paper we're using, but they sell them in most stores, and you can use the one of your choice.
Okay, now you slide in the paper.
5 seconds.
Okay, and take
a little longer.
And begin the cutting.
Okay. Leave it in a little longer. Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And already soft. See? You put the salmon in here.
Smoked salmon.
Smoked salmon. Okay. And I put lettuce in the top. Oh, sorry. Not lettuce. Cream cheese. Cream cheese spread like this. And they put the lettuce. And wrap it tight. And wrap really tight. Here you go. Here.
And that's the rice paper wrap.
With that salmon.
Now we're making a rice paper wrap, but with chicken inside. Put the chicken in.
And they put the cream cheese. Okay. Put the lettuce. And pick them up. Roll it.
You said roll it tight, and then tuck in each end.
Tuck in the each end. And roll it. Careful.
Show me again.
This one chicken. Okay.
Looks good.
And next one is the salmon.
If you cut it at an angle, it looks nice.
See, salmon. Here you go.
And enjoy Kyoko's Kitchen. Please subscribe.
And the peanut sauce. See?
Take a bite.
Not too